Shit! Oh!
So where you gonna be staying?
So it's gonna be, so you're gonna be at the baseline? It is Sav Exposure, and today I am trying something new. I am playing tennis for the first time. This is gonna be an interesting experience. I think I played tennis for like all of 2 minutes when I was like 12 one time. I did horribly because it wasn't like a Wii game. And I haven't played since. So today I'm gonna rekindle my young spirit and play tennis for the first time. Just one-on-one. It's got to be between these first set of lines right here on both ends. So you have to stand somewhere in between this box. Yeah, you got to stand. So you want to stand in between. You don't want to stand in the dead zone because if you do, you're going to be all over. So if you hit the ball right there, you're going to have to literally just step back so far to hit it. So you want to be back here as much as possible. Okay. And you want to play the full length of the court. All right. All right. In order to serve, you got to pretty much, in tennis, it's like ping pong. You got to serve cross court. So if I'm serving from here, you want to hit it into that service box right there. So you got to hit it into pretty much that service box right there. Makes sense. Makes sense. And every time you do, so let's say I serve from here to that end, it's my point. The next step, you want to serve from this side. So you want to finish with, it's cross court back and forth. Okay. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. So I've played ping pong, so I understand some of this. What you got? Oh. This is my warm up, y'all. Hand-eye equipment.
It's just like I'm playing baseball.
Oh! Y'all saw it. Alright, y'all, I'm about to get into it. You're gonna see me probably fall, miss balls, the whole nine, but I'm about to learn. I think he just got like 1 or 2 you want to get 2 in a row. But if you lose it, you're gonna have to keep playing until you get 2 in a row. Shit! Oh! To get 2 in a row. Shit! Oh! That's some live action. They're coming straight to you. Sav Exposure. That's out. So you had it perfectly, you just want to put on the other side of that line. Okay. So you want to hit in this service box on this side. Yep, perfect spot. It wasn't. Were you trying to just serve or hit? Serve. I was out.
Then what's in?
You guys are practicing. Let's go.
Alright, let's go then.
Let's go. Y'all see this? I'm setting myself up for failure, y'all. Oh! And
I'm gonna do this thing.
that was good, actually. Nope.
I was trying to let you get it the last second.
Yeah, my bad. Y'all see me. We can just say I got it or whatever.
And it's sliding up too.
It happens, it happens. Make him run. That's good. That's good. Get it. Okay. Y'all see the athleticism, bro? Y'all see the athleticism?
Yeah.
Of that side, so he's gonna be hard for this person to get it to you. That's good. Yeah!
That's a little too strong.
If I'm on that side, I play singles rules. One bounce, man, one bounce. That was good.
Got it.
Even though I hit it a double bounce, but it was pretty good for serve.
What happened? Oh, tired?
No, I gotta walk.
Woken up like you want to move?
Just sit aside.
You about to be a meme with these screens.
Slide over. There you go. Y'all see me. Y'all see me. Skin in my teeth. 1, 2. What is that? Sorry. I ain't too bad.
Live action sports. Move where the ball moves. Terrible. Just terrible. That's how you starting off on camera. Sav Hayes here with NBC Sports, Laguna Niguel. Terrible, he couldn't even return it. Send him. Okay, good return. All right. Whoa there, Nelly. Whoa there, Nelly. That's out. Live action sports, another day, another dollar here with Durante Craig. Show us what you got, bud.
Coming for Drew. He a professional. It's my first day playing tennis. He getting it. Mr. Patel. He's going down. That's up.
Okay, get low on him. Ah!
It's all good. Look at the shoes. I'm gonna break my feet, ankles and knees. But I'm still keeping up with them. Sorry, it wasn't right.
You ever think, like when you were a kid, they called it stuff like tennis shoes?
Yeah, never.
But like I never thought of them as like tennis shoes. They're just like shoes or sneakers. But like, when did like tennis shoes just start becoming like a common thing? I don't know, just a side note. We're gonna come back on this side.
We're gonna serve in.
Oh wow.
That was out though. I want to back
Oh,
up.
my bad. NBC Sports Laguna Niguel, Orange County's finest, Drew Patel. Out there.
We're just hitting it right now. We're just practicing.
Oh!
Let's go.
He came in the game ready.
Oh! I want want you to get in the game right now.
I got two coming. Whichever one goes over.
Roger just hitting him right.
All you. There you go. There you go. That's it.
Tennis is all about you.
Yeah. Oh, it's like now five play the fuck over
Get it. Nice try to get that backhand slice.
Yeah, it's the over.
That's wide.
It was like this a big hit.
We need way warmer right now.
Oh.
Slam!
Woo!
Go back to your right, please.
Are you 16 early? Yes.
Sorry about that. Thank you.
Use my right. I got you.
Nice catch.
Thank you.
Go back, go back up. There you go. Good.
Nice.
There you go, there you go. Come on. Wait, wait, wait.
Oh, nice.
Oh. That was a good try, though. Good try, no, good try. I'm out. Come on, come on, come on. Two hands, two hands. I got it, I got it. Get it. I got it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go! Yes!
Hit him with the whoopsie daisy. Ah.
I got it, I got it.
I was going to drop right over. Stand up there now.
That was a good hit, I like that. Come on, come on, come on. And go!
That was good.
Coming out the shirt.
Uh-oh, hoodie's coming off.
You see this? Took the sweater off. It's over for AJ.
Let's go!
Sorry.
Y'all want to see me break my ankle?
I wish they would have tuned in on that footwork.
It's the shoes, man.
So we had a resilient and fun learning experience playing tennis. How'd you like it, man?
Me? Pretty good. I had a great time. I'm a professional. My name is Durante Craig Williams.
Nah, Juve and Max were the professionals.
No, we weren't.
Me and Durante were just catching our bearings.
You know, Serena,
and
my
learning the
cousin.
ropes. Craig Williams, Sav Williams.
It's in our bloodline.
Sun's coming out, which means we're going down.
Yep.
We're going in.